Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today, me and my team will be sharing about BMC Business Model Canvas. First and for all, let us proceed to see our logo. So, this is our beautiful logo and our business name called The Wish, and our tagline was Box of Happiness, because we want our customer who receive our product to feel happy and satisfied. The Wish group member was me myself, Muhammad Danish bin Dahlan, and we have Asra bin Basrullah, then Shalisha anak Sidi, Gloria binti Francis, Rachel Unga anak Robert, Nurul Jannah binti Bashir Muhammad, and lastly Harisha Liana anak Anthony. Next, business practicum. Our business practicum is take order and deliver. Take order and deliver is where client place their order on platform that were ready and deliver their order to the client.
Our company, The Wish, provide the service of gift basket box delivery. Through us, clients will easily put smile on their loved ones and making their day by sending them gifts right in front of their doorsteps. Next is what we offer. Firstly, pre-design. Clients can order our pre-designed gift box. Second is custom. Clients can send us ideas or special requests for their order whilst having the client's personality trait. Third is seasonal. Besides personal dates and anniversary, we also provide season theme gift box. Next is budget. No worries about budget because we provide various designs cater to clients' budget limits. Last one is events. Our service does not limit on gift box only, but also surprise events.
How do we identify the business idea? There are three approaches in identifying the idea of business. We choose the third approach, which is finding gap in marketplace. Demand are quite high. Let's give box services in the targeted area. And now I will present about the survey we conducted in the past 2 weeks. The survey we conducted is for our improvement and also for our customers. We aim to provide our customers with better services and a better product. At first, we go to our respondent. Based on the survey that have been conducted, the majority of our customers are women. According to the chat, about 56.7% are female and the rest is about 43.3% is male. The second is we going to our customer age. Based on the survey that have been conducted, the majority of our customers are teenagers between the age of 18 to 23 years old. According to the chat, about 91.2% are teenagers between the age 18 to 23 years old, and the rest of them is 8.8 at the age of 24 to 29 years old. The third is the price our customer want. Based on the survey showing that our customer want a reasonable price with the product provided is more in line with the price offered. According to the chart, about 47.8% of our customer want a affordable price, which is from 15 ringgit to 30 ringgit. About 41.8% of our customer want 35 ringgit to 50 ringgit, and the rest is about 10%, which is from 55 ringgit to 70 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Rachel and I will show you the overview of BMC mapping. There are 9 components in BMC. First, value proposition. What makes our product special and why customers should choose our product. First and foremost, our products are available at multiple locations such as Selangor, Sabah and Sarawak. So, the delivery process are more easier and quicker. Second, we also accept custom requests from our customer if they wish to add extra material on the gift box. Other than that, our shop also accept urgent orders since there are majority of the small businesses only take orders from 3 to 4 days before the date is requested. Lastly, we also accept large amount of order from our customer as catering. The second component in BMC is customer segment. So our targeted customer are mostly from teenagers to working adult who wish to surprise their loved one with chocolates. Teenagers will most likely to buy our product since they are yet to receive their driving license. Therefore, buying our product which provide delivery service will be helpful for them. As for working adults who are usually busy and away from their hometown, they can use our service to send a surprise delivery to their loved one. And as for the third component, which is marketing channels, we are reaching out to our customer through social media such as WhatsApp and Instagram. That's all from me.
I will continue the presentation of the BMC. Customer relationship. To maintain and implement brand loyalty to our clients, we always strive for good relationship with them. This include offering special discounts or promotions, as well as valuing their feedbacks on our product to better ourselves. Next, key partners. We get our supplies from Shopee and the nearing confectionery stores, along with working with local businesses such as the florists, the runners. Not to mention getting advice from our lecturer, Dr. Samsul Bahri, and getting advice from friends and family as well, those who are experienced in the business. And next, key activities. We promote our product through Instagram and WhatsApp and receiving orders from it as well. Besides that, preparing the client's order according to their wishes and delivering it safely is our key activities as well. That's all from me, thank you.
We will be presenting about our key resources. As we know, this area is the most important assets needed to make a business model work. Therefore, a huge part of our model will come from loans from our own parents and our own savings. This model will be used to buy the materials needed for our products. Secondly, we will be using Canva as our design application to create our brand stickers and greeting cards. This way, our clients or customer will gain the marvelous experience of receiving gift boxes from our store. Not only that, this will be a great approach to ensure a good customer relationship in our business. Thirdly, deliveries of our product will be conducted using our own vehicles or runner. This way, our clients can easily receive their purchases from us. Next up, we will be talking about the number 8 area of business model canvas, which is the cost structure. We have strategized the best and most appropriate cost structure that will suit our business. For our business, our main products are the variety types of chocolate that comes in the boxes. Thus, the most important cost inherent in our product is the chocolate itself. However, we will also put our funds into purchasing the necessary items to produce our product, which is the gift box itself. The last area of business model canvas that we will be covering is the revenue streams. Our revenue stream comes from selling gift box and providing catering services. As we prioritize the quality of the chocolate that we are selling, we will intensely focus on the quality of our packaging as well as the design of our greeting cards. And we also offer our customers a good range of custom requests such as Polaroids, balloon, LED lights, and many more. Payments can be done using online transfer, using e-wallets, or by using cash. Though, we recommend our customers to make payments using either online transfer or e-wallet only. Thank you.
Risk and strategies. First risk, failing to monitor competitors. Strategy, active in social media and always improve the service. Second risk, delay items from China supplier. Strategy, find nearest supplier to avoid delay items. Third risk, damage item during delivery. Strategy, increase secure of the item, for example, using many bubble wrap. Fourth risk, customer satisfaction low. Strategy, identify the factor of low satisfaction from customer feedbacks and fix it. Conclusion, the gift box is affordable. It offers a wide variety of items people like and fit to their budget. It is easy to buy gift box. Most people do not have days or weekends available to spend on planning and purchasing gifts for their family birthday or anniversary. So, they just buy gift box from Shopee and pay it using online transfer. The gift box also easy to deliver. It is because it has small size and easy to bring anywhere. That's all. Thank you.